If you're looking to personalize your emails in Salesflare, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use Salesflare's powerful email personalization tools so you can create more engaging and relevant messages that will boost your sales and build stronger relationships with your leads and clients. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to take your email outreach to the next level. And as a bonus, you can try Salesflare for free using the first link below. When it comes to personalization, Salesflare makes it easy by automatically pulling data about your leads from your CRM. This means that every time you send an email, you can easily reference details like the lead's name, company, and past interactions without having to manually type it all out. To get started, let's talk about the first feature, email templates. With Salesflare, you can create personalized templates that can be reused for multiple clients or campaigns. You can include variables like first name, company name, or other custom fields that automatically populate when you send an email. This is a huge time saver and ensures that you're sending tailored messages without having to manually craft every single email. The second thing I want to show you is how Salesflare's dynamic fields make personalization even easier. For example, you can set up custom fields in your CRM for things like industry, specific interests, or even the last product they purchased. These fields are then pulled into your emails automatically when you send them. It's like having a virtual assistant helping you keep track of all the details, ensuring your emails are as personalized as possible. Next, let's talk about follow-ups. A key part of personalizing your email outreach is knowing when to follow up. Salesflare's follow-up reminders help you keep track of your communication with each contact. This ensures you don't miss a beat and that your emails are sent at the right time to increase your chances of getting a response. But it doesn't stop there. Salesflare also lets you track how recipients engage with your emails. You'll know if they open your email, click on any links, or even reply. This data can help you refine your approach and personalize future emails based on how they interacted with your previous ones. Now, the key to standing out with your emails is to provide real value. Salesflare makes it easy to reference any past conversations or interactions in your email. For instance, you can reference a recent meeting or a particular pain point they've mentioned. This shows that you're paying attention and that you're offering a solution that directly addresses their needs. The software also lets you integrate with other tools like LinkedIn, so you can enrich your contacts and personalize your outreach even further. With Salesflare, you're not just sending generic emails. You're sending emails that are informed by real data, which can help build trust and increase your chances of conversion. Now, I know you're probably wondering how all of this is possible. It's because Salesflare uses automation to make all of these processes seamless. It's not just about sending personalized emails, it's about sending the right personalized emails at the right time, based on the data that's available to you. As a special bonus, if you're interested in giving Salesflare a try, you can access an extended free trial by using the link below. This way, you can start personalizing your emails and boosting your sales today without any upfront costs. In summary, personalizing emails in Salesflare is all about using the data in your CRM to craft meaningful messages that speak directly to your leads and clients. With features like dynamic fields, email templates, and follow-up reminders, it's easy to stay on top of your outreach and ensure your messages are as effective as possible. So, if you want to take your email marketing to the next level, don't forget to check out Salesflare through the exclusive link below. And remember, your extended free trial is waiting.